morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, this morning we are waking up in Kanchanaburi, Thailand at Cross River Kwai, and this is the first stop on our Thailand adventures. So because we are a little bit jet lagged still, we've been waking up about 5:30, 6 in the morning. So I thought today, because it is going to be a bit of a relaxing day, just enjoying the sunshine and all that fun stuff, might be a good time for me to show you guys around where we're staying here in our floating cabin. I'm so excited to show you guys around, and then later this afternoon when things open up a little bit more and the resort is more alive, I'll take you and show you around there. So if you are interested in Thailand content, planning a trip, or just looking for some inspiration, be sure to hit that subscribe button. There's much more adventures to come, as well as previous Thailand adventures here on this channel, so lots of content for you. But yeah, let's just get this tour started and I'll show you around our float cabin here at Cross River Kwai. Starting with the cabin itself, our Xfloat Cabin is both rustic and luxurious and comes fully equipped with a beautiful bathroom with both a walk-in shower and soaker tub, as well as a small walk-in closet and mini bar fridge. Moving forward into the living area, you'll find a super comfortable king bed with a side seating area for lounging, as well as Bluetooth speakers for those much needed dance parties, and a flat screen TV for those rainy evenings. But who really needs a flat screen TV with views like these? Is floating right on the river, so we can open up the front and enjoy the sunrise or sunset on the patio. But if relaxing on the patio isn't quite what you're looking for, you can also go upstairs to enjoy your own private rooftop sun deck and enjoy 180-degree river views from there. Heading out to the rest of this boutique resort, Cross River Kwai has one restaurant, the Bridge Bar and Bistro, and serves a varied menu there. From their all-day breakfast menu to snacks and desserts, dinner and drinks, I don't think we had a single complaint about the food here, which is great because there are actually very limited options for food nearby. Another spot that we are loving here is their infinity pool with views of the river, as well as a small man-made beach area for those of you who can't fully relax until you feel the sand beneath your toes. For the more active traveler though, the hotel also offers the use of various water sports equipment, including kayaks and paddleboards. We loved getting out on the river and then returning home just in time for a relaxing massage at the spa. But that's gonna be it for me for today and my tour of Cross River Kwai and our floating cabin here. If you are heading to the area, I would definitely check it out. There are other room types available, so I'll be sure to link those down below. In the next one, we're gonna be heading outside of the resort to explore more of what there is to do here in Kanchanaburi. So if you are interested, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And until the next one, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you next Sunday.